In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix "We couldn't verify your country" on YouTube Premium. So if you're trying to subscribe and this error keeps showing up, just follow these steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure that any VPN on your device is completely turned off, because if a VPN is active, YouTube will not be able to verify your country. So just disable it fully and then try again. Now, if the issue is still there, the next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. So make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and working properly, and if it's slow or Now, if the problem still does not go away, what you want to do next is report the issue to YouTube. Now, to do that, open the YouTube app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now go to Settings and then scroll down and tap on Send Feedback. Now tap on Get Started, and here explain that your VPN is turned off, but YouTube Premium is still unable to verify your country, and if possible, include your account details and screenshots. Now, once you submit the feedback, YouTube will review your case and contact you back. Now, once the issue is resolved, you'll be able to subscribe to YouTube Premium normally and choose any available plan. And that's it. That's how you fix the "We couldn't verify your country" error on YouTube Premium. If this helps you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.